I want to do a quick video. It's about these gloves and knuckle gloves, which I don't have, and a new background. And the new background is a "We Support Our Troops" flag. I sent this to my buddy out in Afghanistan. He flew it up out there by his base on July 4th, 2011. Certificate of authenticity. And then here we go to the gloves. These were the older pair, and so you can see they're worn. I've only had these for like 3 months. Starting to come off. The knuckle protectors are pathetic. Really pathetic. It starts to get really, they get really crappy. They're not waterproof. These are waterproof. This has Velcro. Here, I'm going to set this down for you, okay? They're nice, snug. Pretty nice. I'm going to take some fabric paint, and then I'm going to color all the rest of it tan like this. That's that, and then let me set this down again. Sorry. Oh God, I haven't worn these in a long time. I don't even think they fit. Alright, just tell me what you think. Peace. Let me try to turn this off.